Good morning, sisters and brothers. This is Sadrak. Um, I will try to make a short video just to show you how to install Zoom on your phone. As you may know, the churches are closed, and we will be conducting church meetings online. And the application, the platform that will be used for that is Zoom. So I will show you here how to install Zoom on your smartphone. I am now using an Android phone, but the instructions may be similar if you have an iPhone. Now to install Zoom on your Android phone, you go to your Play Store. It's that green triangle there. You go to your Play Store and you type Zoom, Zoom, right? Go to the search and type Zoom. I can either type it or choose this option here, right? Because I looked for it already. It was there, Zoom, search. Right now you have the application. You click install, the nice green button here. Click install, and it's going to download and install the application. Now, depending on how much memory you have available on your phone, it may be faster or slower than doing it on my phone. I know I have quite a few things on my phone, so it's taking a little bit of time. Downloading is almost done. It's 89% right now, 99% downloading done. Now it's about to install it. Once it's done installing, you have the application on your phone. It's as simple as that. Now, once you have the application, to participate in a meeting, you have two options, and both of them are quite simple. Done installing, right? It's ready. Now I just click open to open the application. Now, okay, this is the Zoom application. It's a meeting room, a virtual meeting room where we can connect. You'll see we can connect with a smartphone. We can connect with our computer and or tablet, however you want to connect. Now, to join a meeting, you have two ways that you can join a meeting. Sorry. You click join a meeting here and you enter the meeting code. Right? Let me go grab my meeting code for the first option. The meeting code here is 145. Let me just pull the email so I can see it clearly. 145. Just a second. Okay, so the meeting code, you'll see it in my email, 145017101. Okay, so I'll go back to the Zoom application. I type join a meeting and I enter my meeting code. Join a meeting, it gives you an option to enter the meeting code. 145017101. Join a meeting. There you go. You're in the meeting room. Okay. Now it will ask you to allow Zoom access permission. It needs two permissions, a permission to use your microphone and permission to use your camera. Allow Zoom to record audio. We'll say yes, allow. This will allow people to be able to hear your voice when you want to participate, right? The second permission that's needed is the permission to use your camera on the phone. Now, you will be able to see other people in the room, but they cannot see you because you don't have your camera is not activated yet. You will see the camera has a blue, sorry, a red bar on it, so it's not being used. Once we tap on it, the application will ask for permission to use it. At that time, people will be able to see you as well, right? We tap on start video. There we go. And it's asking for the permission. We click allow, yes, and here we go. Video is activated, right? Now you can see other people in the meeting room, other people in the meeting room can see you, and we can discuss, we can pray and sing together, just like we would be doing physically in the church gathering together. So this is one way you can join a meeting. The second way, let me go back to that email. The second way is I click leave a meeting so I can come back to it again. The second way you can join a meeting is with your invite. You will receive an email or a text message inviting you to participate to that meeting, right? So you just go in this email, you'll see that link https zoom.us. Just tap on it. You have the option to join the meeting. It takes a few seconds to go to Zoom. Right. So it asks you to open with the Zoom application or open with Chrome. If you have the Zoom application, you have this option. Tap on it, and you go ahead and join the meeting the same way. It gets you there. Right. Now you get to enter your name so the presenter and other people can see who's connecting. Enter your name. You're connected. Again, when you first connected, you connected with voice only. People can hear you, but they cannot see you until you activate your video. To activate the video, you click Start Video, and there you go. People can see you again. This is it. Thank you very much. I hope this video was helpful. The Lord will continue to guide us, and we are not living with a spirit of fear. God wants us to have trust in Him. Let's continue to trust in the Lord, as He is always able to guide us and to help us, no matter what the crisis is. Thank you very much. Be blessed. Bye.